Hey everyone, we just took our first quiz and now it will be our first time doing quiz corrections. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to go into your Google Drive and you are going to search for the document titled PT Investigation 1 Checkup. This is also the title of the assignment in Tyler when you check your grades. And the first thing you will see when you are in your document is the pear, because we used a pear deck. That's why there's a pear emoji there. And then you'll see a rubric. This is where you will see the question number and then the number of points you earned for each question. So for example, I got 2 out of 2 on question 1. Awesome. 2 out of 2 on question 2. 0 out of 2 on question 3. 0 out of 2 on question 4. And then you'll see 0 out of 1 on question 6. So you'll see a row for the number of points and then also a row where I give you feedback. So I have placed comments on your work that are also hints on what you need to fix to do your corrections. Then you'll see your total number of points. Corrections are a good thing to do, a necessary thing to do if you earned a D or lower. And so that would be if you earned less than an 8.5. So if you earned an 8 or lower, then you need to do corrections. I highly recommend it. It's going to boost your grade. If you earned an 8.5 or higher, you should not do corrections. You got at least a C, and that's good. That means you're working towards mastery. All right, so time to fix our work. You'll see that 0 out of 2 and 0 out of 2, numbers 3, 4, and 6 are the ones I would need to fix. So I'm going to go find number 3. The next thing you're going to see is it's going to say part 1 summary. You can skip that and we're just going to continue on to number 3. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Notice how slide 3 says question number 2. Be careful for that. And there's question number 3. So notice it gives you the original question and then your response will be on the right. And then down below it gives you a space to type. So I typed in my new answer for number 3. This is how you're going to earn points back, by redoing the problems you got wrong. So let's say my error was I didn't do the question at all. My new answer is down below and Miss Berg will be able to see it. Same thing for number 4. I would have to redo number 4. So where it says use this space to take notes, that's actually where you're going to fix the question. So I'm now going to give 2 examples of prime numbers and explain why they are prime. And this is where I'm going to type my answer. Please don't type. You're just going to type your new answer in this box. Make sure you're being as specific as possible. And then when you're done, let's say we've done all the corrections that we have up here for numbers 3, 4, and 6, then you're going to want to make sure that you share this with Miss Berg. So you're going to click the little plus or the share button in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to type in my last name and my first initial. So that's Berg E. There it is. Make sure that I'm there, Berg E at d62.org. And then you're going to type a message. Hi, Miss Berg. Here are my corrections. And then you send it, and it's on its way. I will get an email saying that you completed your corrections, and then I can grade it as soon as I get it. So if you want to work towards raising your grade, do your corrections, turn them in by Friday. Let me know if you have questions.